Hey guys, Paula here. I just wanted to go ahead and talk to you about these mosquito dunks. These are actually designed to kill mosquitoes. They are not harmful to your fish. They're not harmful to any of your pets or anything like that. So just wanted to go ahead and actually show this to you. On the back of the container, you can see that it actually will tell you what you need to use it for. So if you have a space that is 1 to 5 square feet, so let's say you have a koi pond or something like that, well then you can go ahead and just use 1/4 of the dunk. And that's basically what I do. As you can see here, I will actually go ahead and break off pieces of what it is that I need for my koi pond. But these are fantastic to go ahead and kill mosquito larvae for 30 days. And every single month you can go ahead and just put another chunk of this in there. Again, this is not harmful to any type of fish habitats or anything like that, or fish troughs or anything. So just wanted to go ahead and go and show this to you, because if you are considering purchasing this item, I wanted to go ahead and help you make that decision.